If you like our videos, do hit subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell button to get all the latest updates. Hey guys, welcome to Shishu World. Today we are going to make a very simple but delicious and healthy jowar and gud ka halwa. We all know that jowar or sorghum is a millet found abundantly in India and is very beneficial for children as well as adults. Jowar is rich in protein, iron, and copper, as well as fiber. It is gluten free, and it plays an important role in cell repair and functioning. It is also very rich in antioxidants. So to make this quick and simple recipe, we will first make the jaggery syrup. You take whichever jaggery you have at hand. Take about 1 cup of water, and then break the jaggery into pieces and dissolve it. Now, sometimes jaggery has a lot of impurities, so you can, once it has dissolved, you can strain it as well. But in my case, it is all right. There are no impurities, so I will just use as it is. But if you find any impurities, do strain it. So once this is done, then we will move on to the next process. So here in a pan, I have taken a teaspoon of ghee. I'm making just one serving because I always believe in making it fresh, and it does not really take a long time that we should make a lot and then store it as well. So in the ghee, I've put 1 tablespoon of jowar flour, and then I've roasted it well in ghee. And you can see that the color has changed a little. And then I'm adding the jaggery syrup. Always put the hot syrup so that lumps are not formed, and even if there are a few lumps formed, just use the spatula to break them well. So continuously keep stirring it, otherwise it will become very lumpy. So keep stirring it, and it will come to the right consistency within 2 to 3 minutes. So as you can see, the halwa looks ready. All we have to do now is turn off the heat and add a little bit of warm milk and mix it well. Now, if you're making this for babies below 1 year, then you must use the milk that you give to babies, that is formula milk or breast milk, and always add it at the end after you have turned off the heat. Now, mix it well. It will continue to get thicker as it cools down. This can be given as a breakfast or an evening snack, or even when children have this sudden hunger. So quickly you can make this and be happy that it is something healthy that you're giving them. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you will try this recipe as well. If you like our video, please do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Do share it with your family and friends as well. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.